The Blu Vivo 6 isn't going to disappoint you in any area of media. It's perfectly good at what it does, and that's what you need from an affordable phone. The Full HD 5.5-inch display is a perfect setup for watching films. It's a large screen by smartphone standards, and it's bright enough for watching video. The phone is easy to hold as well, which is a big benefit when watching on a commute. The Vivo 6 is also a great option for watching shorter clips on YouTube, which is ready to use right out of the box. There's also Google Play Movies and TV, but some of the content in there can be expensive, so if you have a Netflix subscription you may want to download it instead to give you something else to watch. Music-wise, you'll only have Google Play Music installed to listen to tracks, but you can always download other players from the Google Play Store. There are small speakers at the bottom of the phone that make an impressive noise when listening to music out loud. The speakers won't blow you away, but they're good enough to walk around and listen to a little music through them. It's worth noting that there's also a 3.5mm headphone jack at the top of the device. Some flagship phones now don't feature jacks for wired headphones, but having one here means you'll be able to use wired headsets. Of course, you can also use Bluetooth, and we found it simple to connect the phone to Bluetooth headsets and speakers. For gaming, the Blu Vivo 6 was capable of running most titles but struggled a little with high-intensity apps. This will easily play Candy Crush Saga, but it struggled a little more with games such as Real Racing 3 or Pokemon Go, where a lot of processing power is needed. That said, all of the games we tested played, and it was as capable as many other phones at this price point. It won't be a gaming powerhouse, but if you want a phone that can handle almost everything you throw at it and doesn't cost much money, the Vivo 6 is one of the best options.